I'm going to Milan for 5 days and I'm flying with a low-cost company and I don't have any luggage. I just have my small allowed luggage for free. And so I have to pack very, very light and very compact. So I want to show you what I carry with me for these days in Milan, and the weather is freezing, actually -5 degrees, which is really cold. So I'm sure I won't draw outside, but I will draw in cafes, in restaurants, in museums, and in the apartment in the evening. So I need to take stuff with me that I will carry along all day in my fanny pack. And it's a small one. So let's see what we can do: light, small, and minimal. The first and most important thing maybe is the sketchbook. This is a small one, A6 size. I have just written where I'm going and the date. I might cover that with something else, I don't know yet, but it's ready to fill. I have just glued a little piece of paper here so I can slip in some random papers, tickets, receipts that I will gather during the trip. And I have a video on my Patreon where I explain how I selected this exact one. Then the palette. This is a gouache palette and it's very handy because it is so small that you can really carry it with you without any problem. Always get that in the wrong place. Yeah. My goal is to be very, very, very light. 2 clips, because when you are drawing outside, it can be windy, and even if you're inside, your pages may flip. So these ones are very light. Mechanical pencil. I know it looks like a regular pencil, but it is a mechanical one, and it has an eraser at the end. I try to avoid using an eraser, but it can be handy to have some available. Then I want to have 2 water brush. One is large and one is small, because this is a small sketchbook. Might be interesting to have a small brush. Then I have 2 waterproof pens. One is little fine line. I don't know the number exactly because it's 0.4. And one is a brush. It's a dark brown brush. I like it because you can really make thin and broad lines. So this, for sure, I will carry it with me on location in my fanny pack. And I will keep at the apartment a tiny, tiny pair of scissors. I think they come from my children when they were little, when they were babies. This usually goes through the airplane. It depends. They can take it away from you, but usually you can go through. And some stick of glue, because this is handy to have when you're back home or in the evening at the hotel or wherever you stay, so you can glue what you have gathered during the day. And obviously some napkins, things I just take from restaurants or cafe along the day, so I can wipe out my brushes. And this is really a very light, very, very light kit for travel sketching. I think I have everything I need. I do have white gouache in there, so I don't need to carry a white marker as I usually do. This is really handy. there you go, the minimum that you can get. You could swap the gouache palette for a watercolor one, but it would be heavier and slightly bigger. This is really the smallest portable palette I can get. I know people will carry more colored pencils or whatever. I can still do that when I will be back from the trip. My goal is to carry my fanny pack all day long, and I know at some point it becomes heavy. So the lightest, the better. What would you add to that? I feel like I'm missing something, but I cannot get my hands on it. My passport, of course, but that's not for sketching. So meanwhile, I'm back from my trip and I have finished my sketchbook. You have the full sketchbook tour on my Patreon, and I explain everything I did on location and after the days staying at the apartment, and even a bit of things I did while I was back home. You have the link in the description if you want to join us and have fun with travel sketching. Thanks for watching.